So this euro pound analysis for Monday the 25th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 8730s, in around the 8730, 8720 buy zone here on the euro against the pound, from which we have posted a higher low above the 8750. We've had prices subsequently trade above the 8783. And from the 8783, we've had prices head up towards that 88 level here on the euro against the pound. We've had a brief pullback down towards that 8783, but we do appear to be holding it as support at the moment. So if we can break and hold above the 88, from which we've encountered previous resistance, we're looking for price head up towards that 8820. Successful break, from which we are then looking for prices to start to head towards that 88.51 here on the euro against the pound. If, however, we do see a breakdown, we are not able to hold 8783, looking for a move down towards 8750. Successful break, from which looking for price head down towards 8720. That's 8720s in towards our 8720s. Mid 8720, so 8725, around 8725, 8730. And if we do break from there, looking for price head down towards our 87. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside beyond the 87 is a move down towards our 8663 here on the euro pound. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the higher time frame, see how price have been developing. First, we'll have a look here at the monthly chart. We get scale on here correct, and as we can see over the past couple of months, we've pretty much gone nowhere really. There is a slight bias to the downside, as we've had a series of lower highs and slightly lower lows, but we are still within a pretty slow moving range here to the downside on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the weekly time frame. So over on the weekly time frame, we can see since mid 2017 we've been in a very tight range, and at the moment, while we have not gone and tested our lows, we appear to be in further consolidation here, just slightly below the 88 level on the euro against the pound. And we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the euro pound, we did see a slight trend to the upside, encountered the resistance at 200 period average, so follow through to the downside, didn't quite test 87, found that support in around the 8720s, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return to the market for a test of 88. We've had a brief pullback, but we do appear to be testing it again. So if we can break above the 88 again, 8820, with that a confluence of the 200 period moving average does increase the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market at that 88.20. But if we do see buy side momentum take us beyond the 88.20, we're looking for move towards that 88.51, possibly up towards that 88.74 here on the euro pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.